Hey, Lily. How's your week going?
Not bad, Oliver. Just trying to keep all the plates spinning. How about you?
I hear that. Actually, I was just thinking about something really simple but powerful that came up in an article I read.
Oh, do tell. I'm always up for a good insight.
Well, it was about the impact of saying, "I'm proud of you" to someone, not just in big moments, but for everyday effort.
That's interesting. We often reserve that for huge achievements, don't we?
Exactly. The article pointed out that many people work incredibly hard, often struggling silently, but rarely hear words of appreciation.
Oh, I can totally relate to that. Sometimes you feel like you're putting in so much effort and no one even notices.
Right? And that feeling can be really isolating. The piece suggested that a simple, genuine, "I see your effort," or "I'm proud of how you keep going," can completely change someone's day.
Wow, I never really thought about it that way. It's true, though. Just hearing that someone acknowledges your struggle or your persistence, even if you don't feel like you're succeeding yet, means so much.
It really does. It's not about fake compliments, but genuine recognition. Like, "I see you studying every day," or "You're getting stronger, even when you feel weak."
That's a great point, Oliver. And it's not just about the big wins. Sometimes just not quitting despite wanting to is a huge victory.
Absolutely. The article emphasized that a lot of people stop when life gets hard, but those who keep trying, even through silent struggle, deserve to be seen and praised.
I love that. It makes me think we should all be a bit more intentional about offering that kind of encouragement.
Totally. Imagine the ripple effect if we all just took a moment to tell someone we appreciate their journey, their effort, or simply that we're proud of them for not giving up.
It's such a small thing, but it sounds like it could make a massive difference in how people feel and how they keep pushing forward.
Definitely. It's a powerful reminder that everyone wants to feel appreciated, and a few kind words can give someone immense strength.
Well, Oliver, I'm proud of you for bringing up such a thoughtful topic. It's a great reminder for all of us.
Thanks, Lily. And I'm proud of you for always being so open to these kinds of conversations. It's so important to connect on a deeper level.
Agreed. So let's all make an effort to share some genuine encouragement this week.
Sounds like a plan.
Welcome to English Listening Lab, your channel to test, practice, and improve your listening skill.